Hey, babe.
Hey.
Wait.
I'm ready.
No, I need you to put on your shoes because it's all dirt. We're in Joshua Tree and it's a desert.
I didn't bring any shoes.
Your wheels, there's like hills and rocks and all kinds of gnarly stuff.
Oh wait, you know what I did bring?
What?
I brought Skooties!
Oh my god, what are Skooties?
Okay, a Scootie, I'm gonna put these on my wheels and then I'll be able to walk anywhere. That's why I didn't even need to bring any shoes to this trip.
Have you finally lost it? That is not a thing.
No, I'm not even lying. It is a real thing. I'm gonna show you right now, okay? Do you wanna see?
Yes, I wanna see.
Oh, I was so scared. I really believed that I was gonna roll, but I didn't. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today we're talking all about the Skooties. Queer Girl Straight Skates! Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating, or if you're like, what's roller skating? That seems really cool. You should go ahead and hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you can get notified when I post, which is typically on Tuesdays. And head on over to cheersofthequeers.com where you can get all sorts of cute accessories, roller skate accessories, this shirt that Chef designed, laces, earrings, all the shenanigans. And it helps support me and supports my little family and this channel. So basically what a Scootie is it's an invention for roller skaters who want to wear their roller skates all the time and don't want to have to take off their roller skates and walk around and go other places. And this is what they are. They're made out of material that's stretchy enough but super strong that you put over your wheels so that you are locked in and you're all good. They feel kind of like tire, like they feel like a rubber, and they're really thick and really feel like durable material. So I'm gonna put them on my skates and I'm gonna try them out and show you how I never need to own shoes again. Just 20 more pairs of roller skates. So what we have to do is we have to put these tabs facing the plate and on the inside of the skate. They come in sets of 2. So you can either get these online at scooties.com, and they are also sold at a couple of your local skate shops. They're sold at Skate Rats, and they're also sold at Pigeon Skates. This tab right here is supposed to go on the inside of your skate facing your plate. So if your skate was right here, they would be going like this, and then this is gonna stretch out like this. And they're supposed to be really tight. Like it's supposed to be difficult to get them on because then they won't come off very easily. They're essentially locking your wheels into place so you can just walk on your skates and not worry about them rolling or getting caught on anything.
What did you just find out? Why was that so hard?
Okay, because I'm dumb and I should have watched the video first. But it doesn't go on like this. It goes on like this.
Like an actual tire.
So like an actual tire, duh. So I took off the skate to better like try and figure it out. This is why we should watch videos before we do things. It's fine, whatever. So it still remains that the inner tab goes on the inside towards the plate, but you loop this front part around your front wheel, and then that makes so much more sense. It goes on really easily, and then you have that tab on the inside. It kind of locks it there. And then you're gonna pull this one and put it around this back wheel, which it is a little tough to do, but nowhere near what I was trying to make it do. You're locked in. Wow, that was so easy.
So you don't have to take your skate off.
You don't. You definitely don't have to take your skate off, but if you do take off your skates, you could show off your cool socks that you have, like these from cheersofthequeers.com. So then let's show you what it's like if you're just putting it on with your skates already on. You can totally do it. You don't have to take them off and be extra like I was. Nice. Did it. We're now ready to scoot. Yeah.
First impressions?
I'm walking. Hey, I'm scooting over here.
Wow, look at her go. Looks like she has shoes on.
We're here at the Noah Purifoy exhibit in Joshua Tree, California, where there is absolutely no skatable texture. So you're gonna see me walk in front of some really cool exhibitions, which you should absolutely come and visit if you have the chance or are in Joshua Tree. But I am going to Skoot on all sorts of different textures, and we're gonna see how it goes. God knows you couldn't do that in skates.
So talk to us. What are you noticing so far about Skooties?
So what I'm noticing is that I have this natural like skate fear because I'm aware of the skates on my feet. And so I'm like worried about stepping places, but then every time I step, I feel fine. The only thing I would say is that if you're a person who tends to go on your outer edges, when I shift my weight back and forth, I do feel a little bit of that roll, but it's nothing that will take me down. It's just like a moment where my mind goes, oop, but it's totally fine. Like I was able to walk up and down things that I absolutely would not be able to walk up and down with my wheels just rolling or whatever. So I'm feeling befuddled. These scoots were made for scooting. And that's just what they'll do. Like, what am I doing? Oh. You actually have to stand. You have to like walk though. Okay, I tried to scoot up something that I wouldn't normally be able to walk up. So in my head, I was like, these magic scooties will make me float. I'll be fine. I can walk on anything, but they're not magic. They just make you able to walk. So like, be aware of that maybe.
Don't get too carried away.
Oh my God, giant scooties. Twins. I'm not gonna walk on that, but I could in my scooties. The Scooties world, we're all just living in it. Side note, you should not walk in the sand in these because the sand and everything from here is still absolutely terrorizing my bearings. But that just means that I'm gonna have to clean my bearings soon, so let me know if you wanna see a video of me cleaning my bearings so you can learn how to do it too. Don't mind me just editing the most recent Queer Girl Straight Skates video about Scooties. That's right. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to get yourself a pair of Scooties, you can get them online at skatescooties.com. Or if you are nearby Skate Rats or Pigeon Skate Shop, you can get them there as well. Don't forget to head on over to cheersthequeers.com. Buy yourself something cute. Buy yourself something nice. Support this shop. Support me. Get some great gifts for your friends for the holidays. And if you think that you should get some Scooties or your friends should get some Scooties, send them this video so that they can see it. And most importantly, cheers to the queers! I've got a